What is up, everybody? Welcome to my first video on this YouTube channel. After the introduction, of course, today I'm going to do my first review of a band which I don't know. I see that they're called Saw, and I just found them on Mind YouTube channel. I don't know what to expect, and I think we're going to dive right into this. Let's go. Off to a good start. Awesome shirt that he's wearing, and I really love his guitar. I think it's a BC Rich, for as far I can see. Sick guitars, sick bass, so we're doing good. Starting with the name from this song is Cannibalistic of Rotting Dead Body, so cool name. Music is really enjoyable. I like that he's doing a playthrough, so you can see which steps he uses, so you can play the song for yourself. You can also look up the steps, of course, on YouTube or on Google, but if you're having a little bit hard time to know what they're playing, especially if you're a starter guitarist like me, then it's can come in handy as well to practice some more of your guitar skills. This is really cool, really cool. Like I said, I don't know them. Let's check it out on Google. They're from Indonesia, from Java, and let's see what they have like. So it seems that they have one album out and a demo. Okay, similar artists, nothing. Okay, pretty cool, pretty cool. I like this. So I hope to see more of them. Let's see, maybe they have some. Of course, you're getting all kinds of woodwork stuff right now. Let's see. same, but with the album art, I think. Oh, this is pretty cool. Here you can see the album art. It's a regular guy wearing a white, eating someone's guts, like you do on a Sunday night. Nah, I think this is the only song that they have right now. But yeah, it's not going to check it out again. But yeah, that's it. It was a short song. This is also my first video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Obviously, not too many people have subscribed already, so I hope you will be part of my community. I enjoy doing this, so it took a little while to figure everything out, but now that I know kind of how everything works, I can start editing the video, and then I can start making more videos, either for music, uh, or for music and bands, or from videos. And I also would like to do some of my traveling videos and some random stuff that I'm doing sometime. Because on my other YouTube channel, which is mostly World War II related, I don't have too many of that content. So that is why I started out this channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.